Hi, this is DIY Manual. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the engine air filter for Honda Odyssey 2007. This is going to be the procedure for 2005 to 2010 Honda Odyssey. Uh, if you have other model Honda Odyssey, it should be similar as well. What I have here is the engine air filter replacement. I got this from Amazon. I think it's about $10 or $11. So the air filter is found inside this box right here. So this is your battery, and then this is the box beside the battery. So this one has two screws, one here and another one over here. And then the rest is just like a hook. So once you remove these two screws, you can just lift this up a little. You don't have to disassemble everything like what the repair instruction says. Just lift it up a little, grab the filter, and then put in the new one. So all you need is a Phillips screwdriver or a number 8mm socket. So I'm gonna use this one because it's easier for me. So as you can see, this one will not come off all the way, so just to prevent you from losing it. So just pull it. Okay, now you can lift this up a little. You get the old filter. So this will be, you drop it in like this. Okay, so this side right here will be on the bottom. So just line it up. Close it back up. And basically, after that, you're set. So you don't need to pay $80 to $100 from the dealer to replace this. You know, you can buy the parts from Amazon for like $10, $11. Replace it yourself, less than 5 minutes. I hope this video helped you, and if it does, please subscribe to my channel so I can make more video for you. Thank you.